So when you think of old man shoes, you usually think about white leather New Balance. They're usually paired with dad jeans. You don't normally think about these. These are Ave Pros from Vans, and they make a great old man shoe. So old men's shoes used to be old men's shoes because they were white and embarrassing to your children. But now they're old men's shoes because they help you skate without getting hurt.
So when I was a kid and I thought about old man's shoes, I thought about something like this big, white, bulky shoe. But now that I'm getting older, when I think about old man's shoes, I think about something like this. This shoe is so good for an older guy who's skating because it has so much technology in it to keep you from hurting yourself. Every single day people park over here in the grass. These guys just pulled over and asked me to do a kickflip and then drove away. So I got this shoe out of the trash. It's really bulky. It's going to be impossible to skate in. There's no insoles in there, and they're huge too. There's something in this shoe. I don't know if it's a part of my toe that fell off. Okay. Oh, this just looks ridiculous. I can almost put this shoe on top of my shoe. Every time I come to this skate park, somebody throws a broken board away in this trash can. Sometimes I take them and make stuff out of them. So this is a size 11 in Converse, and just look at the size difference on this. This shoe is huge. It's a Walmart shoe. It's really lightweight.
So it's not the style that makes these old men's shoes, it's the functionality. So I'm kind of old, and when I skate in normal shoes, sometimes I get heel bruises, or I'll like overextend the ligament in the middle of my foot, that plantar fascia, and I'll get plantar fasciitis in my heel. Or sometimes I just get sore and it messes with my knees if the shoe is pushing my foot too far inside, making it pronate, or pushing it too far outside, making it supinate. So in this shoe, there's a shank in the arch that helps prevent me from like overextending that ligament in the bottom of my foot. It's also got a lot of good impact protection in the heel, which protects me against getting heel bruises. It's not the best shoe for a kid who's just learning to do flip tricks because of all of this mesh. It's good for an old guy who doesn't care about doing flip tricks anymore and they just want to skate in a bowl or something like that. Because if you are just learning flip tricks, you might tear it up. I've seen a lot of kids tear these shoes up. For me, they last longer than pretty much anything because the kickflip area and the ollie area is protected with suede. So maybe these days old men are getting more stylish, but they still need help skateboarding because it's just easier to get hurt when you're an old man. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.